In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an affiliate program on Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to manage affiliates and how to add them manually with the right settings so your program runs smoothly from day one. First, let's navigate to the right place. In your Teachable admin, head to Users, then choose Affiliates. Think of this as your central hub for the entire affiliate program. This is where you'll see the people who promote your courses, review their details, and manage the commissions they earn. If you're just getting started, simply arriving here is effectively where you'll enable and manage your affiliates going forward. Now, let's add an affiliate manually. Look for the option to Add Affiliates and click it. You'll be prompted to enter a few key pieces of information. Start with the person's name so you can identify them clearly in your dashboard. Add their email address so they can access their account and receive relevant notifications. You'll also set a password, choose a secure, temporary one, and plan to share it with the affiliate through a safe channel. They can update it later for their own security. Next, enter the commission percentage. This is the portion of the sale price that your affiliate will earn when they refer a customer who purchases. For example, setting 30% means they'll receive 30% of the sale amount that applies under your school's payout rules. Choose a percentage that aligns with your margins and the value of your affiliate's audience. Keep it simple and consistent at the start. You can always refine your structure later as you learn what works best. You'll also see an optional setting to limit the affiliate to a specific course or product. Use this if you want someone to promote only one offering, such as a flagship course or a new product launch. It's a great way to keep your promotions targeted and clear, especially if different affiliates specialize in different topics. When everything looks good, click Import or Add to finalize. Take a quick moment to confirm the details before you proceed so there are no typos in the email or commission percentage. After adding, the affiliate will appear in your affiliates list, showing you their assigned commission and any product limitations you set. That's it. You've reached the affiliates area and added an affiliate manually with clear, accurate settings. Repeat this process for each new partner, and you'll have a clean, organized affiliate program ready to help you grow. Thanks for watching, and happy building on Teachable.